Now let's answer some questions from our live stream. The first question is, what's the difference between qt5 and the qt6 The difference between these two models is the capacity difference. For example, for 8-inch blocks, qt5 can make 5 pieces per mode. For qt6 can make 6 pieces per mode. The capacity will be different depending on the block size. The qt6 productivity is bigger than qt5 the design of them is same. The second difference is qt5 the pellet size and mold size is longer, so it can make 1 meter cobblestone. But qt6 the pellet size and the mold size is shorter, so it can make the cobblestone maximum 500 millimeters length, can't make 1 meter length. So if you want to make 1 meter cobblestone, you can consider qt5. The third difference is price, because the qt6 productivity is bigger, so the price is a little higher.